So welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing my skincare project pan intro for 2021. So as I got closer to the end of 2020, I had a huge regret of not starting this in 2020 because I had so much time that I could have focused on doing a skincare project pan, and it was very difficult for me to make my way through makeup project pan items because hello, elephant in the room, COVID. We weren't really leaving our houses, so I wasn't really doing my makeup very much. But skincare is something we can all do every single day, no matter what. So this year I'm going to be doing a skincare project pan. I'm super excited to do this. I have a lot of skincare that I want to get through. I feel pretty good about it, but I've never done a skincare project pan, so I'm not really sure if I'm being too excited, like in putting too many things in. But at the same time, I'm not gonna put too much pressure on myself because I don't know what it's gonna be like. I am really excited though because I definitely want to be better at doing my skincare. And I swear to you guys, doing a project pan, even just doing a makeup project pan, really helps me think about the things in my life, about using them up and them just sitting there, you know, going to waste. Like, I really truly feel like doing these things helps me focus on getting my money's worth out of products that I bought. So because skincare can usually take about 3 months, I feel like at the minimum to finish products sometimes. I mean, I'm not sure. That's just what I'm guessing, is that it's probably gonna take me at least 3 months to make really good progress on certain products. So my goal is going to be updating you guys quarterly, so once every 3 months. So my first update will be in March. I just had to like count in my head, but yes, at the end of March will be my first update for sure, unless I make a significant amount of progress. Then I will come back and tell you guys earlier before that. But I am going to try and do these at least quarterly, and then I will be telling you guys if I finish something up and what I'm putting into my project pan. Obviously giving you guys my thoughts on what I thought about the products that I used, and if I notice any differences, because skincare is definitely one of those things that is so good for project pan because it takes so long for you to notice anything that's going on with your skin. So I think this will be really great for me to be able to like try out a bunch of different products and use up the ones that I have and give you guys my thoughts on any different skincare that I've tried. So this is gonna look like a lot, but let me explain, okay? Let me explain. It looks like a lot. But I really am just putting, some of these are gonna be like my main focus products. So let me go through the main things in my project pan, the things that I'm gonna be updating you guys on more in detail. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things that, oh my gosh, that look like kind of like this. These are like full-size products. That's basically what I mean by this, is the main stuff that I'm focusing on are full-size products. The stuff that's in this basket that like looks like a lot, these are all sample sizes, free things that I've gotten that I just like have in my drawer, and I'm just like, I need to use these. So I'll get into this stuff after I talk about my main skincare products that I'm putting in. These are just things that I want to use sporadically. Like, I just want to use them up. Anyways, they're extras. They are bonus points, basically. I'm gonna go in the order of like how I do my like nightly routine, although I am gonna try and do some morning skincare too because I've never been great at that. But first I have the Fresh Sea Berry Skin Nutrition Cleansing Oil. I'm putting this into the project pan because if you guys have been on my channel, you know that I have fallen in love. I hope that didn't just break. I've fallen in love with the Glow Recipe Papaya Cleansing Balm. And ever since I got that and discovered it, this has been sitting on my shelf because this is the one I was using before I discovered that, and I haven't been using it. So I'm putting this into the project pan to force myself to use it up because this wasn't cheap. This definitely was not cheap. Like, this is $43 and I'm gonna get my money's worth. You better believe it. So here is my progress line. I'm about right here. I don't think this is gonna take me a super long time to finish up, but I did need to put this in here because I gotta finish it up. And like, I swear to you, if this wasn't in my project pan, I would just continue to use my cleansing balm because I'm so obsessed with it. But we're gonna use it. We're gonna use it. Okay, after I remove my makeup, the next thing I usually do is toner. I like this product and I'm not putting it into the project pan because I want it gone. I'm putting it in because I've already opened it, so it needs to be used. I love this toner. This is the Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The reason why I love this is just the actual like routine of it. The way it feels. It feels nice. I love putting it onto my skin. However, I'm not so sure if toners really do much. But that could just be due to the fact that I don't deal with super problematic skin. Like, I'm pretty happy with my skin. So, like, maybe I'm just not, like, analyzing what my skin looks like before I use it or when I don't use it, you know? So, like, I don't know if this is, like, a necessary thing in my skincare routine, but I do it anyways. And I do want to get my money's worth when it comes to this because this is $28, which isn't super expensive, but I still would like to get my money's worth, you know? And here is my progress line. It is up here. And you guys, the biggest reason why I'm putting this in here is because this takes forever to use. You only need like the tiniest bit of this. And I've been using this since it came out. Like, I think it's been out for 4 months and I've only made that much progress. Granted, I don't use it every day. Like, I haven't been great at doing my skincare every day. I do my skincare maybe like twice a week. So it will definitely go down as I'm doing this project pan because, like, obviously, since I'm more motivated to use my products, I'm going to be doing my skincare a lot more often. Like, hopefully every night I can get myself to use it. So hopefully I'll be able to go through all of this. I hope I can. My goal is just to get through this year. There's a lot in here. I'm thinking it'll go faster than what I have in my head. Like, I'm hoping it will, but yeah, this takes forever to go through. But I love the packaging, by the way. Oh my god, it's so cool. You just twist it and it's open and then you close it. Whoever came up with these concepts for Fenty Skin and the packaging, freaking genius. I love them. Okay, the next thing I have is a serum. This is the Pineapple Sea Bright Serum for Brightening and Smoothing by Glow Recipe. I've been using this for a little while. Obviously, that's why the progress line is about halfway. And I think this is gonna go really fast. Like, I don't think this is gonna take me long to get through, especially since I feel like the bottle makes it look like there's more product in there than there actually is. I do like this. I feel like it does make my skin look glowy, but I really just want to use it up because I want to try more serums. I love Glow Recipe. I really do. But I really want to try a new serums. I don't think this is my favorite serum I've ever used. It's alright. So I want to use this one up since it's already opened. We're gonna use her. Also, this thing is so expensive. It is $49. Like, retail is $49. I think I got it in a subscription. No, I know I got it in a subscription box because I didn't pay $49 for this. So, but yeah, $49, that's crazy. For eye cream, I'm going to use the Pharmacy Do It All eye cream. I honestly don't know how I feel about this eye cream. I literally just finished yesterday the eye cream I was using, and I'm so happy because it took me so long to finish the eye cream, and I was trying so hard to so that I could move on to this one, to use this one up, because if I opened it a long time ago, but then I opened the one that I was using that I just finished up, and like, I don't know why I did that. It's so stupid to open up skincare products, like multiple of them. I don't know, like, I'm trying to like fix that. That's why I'm doing this skincare, so I can like get through the stuff that's already open, basically. But yeah, that's what the eye cream looks like. It like has a green tint to it. Not that that matters. I don't know why I'm saying that, but yeah, I'm really I like Pharmacy. I do like them as like a skincare line, so I'm excited to try that and see if it actually makes any difference. But I honestly probably will not buy another eye cream after I finish this one and just use like a moisturizer on my eyes, because I've heard there's some skincare people that eye cream does not. It's basically a gimmick. It's like a moisturizer. Speaking of moisturizer, let me go get the one that fell. Thank God that didn't break, because this is definitely glass. So this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. This is basically a really heavy moisturizer. I also have another moisturizer in here, but this one is going to be my nighttime moisturizer. I have very dry skin, so I moisturize my face at night really often, and it keeps my skin kind of at least at a level that I can maintain it and kind of make things work. If I don't moisturize my makeup, it really does not like to stay on my face properly. It looks really bad and like very dry and flaky. So moisturizer is really important in my routine, and especially a heavy one before I go to bed. I love to use a heavy night cream moisturizer before I go to bed. And this one is very heavy, very, very thick, smells nice, says it's anti-aging, and I'm aging, so I would love to prevent some of that. So yeah, I'm going to use this. I like this. I don't know much more beyond the fact that I like it because I haven't used it much. Obviously, there's a lot of product in here, but I'm very excited to put this into the project pan because I need a really good moisturizer in my life, and I would love to use this up. The other one that I have, and I think this one is going to go quite quickly, is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel with hyaluronic acid. I've used quite a bit of this already, but it's a really light moisturizer. It's a great daily moisturizer for like when you get up in the morning because it's very light and it sinks into the skin very quickly. Love this product a lot. It feels super great on your skin. And the other bonus to this is that it actually makes a great makeup primer. I mean, most moisturizers make a good primer, but this one on their website specifically states that it also doubles as a makeup primer. So it's great to put on for the start of the day to get your skin really nice and fresh and hydrated without it feeling super heavy, because this one feels heavy, which is why I like to put it on before I go to bed so that it like has more time to kind of sink in and it doesn't bother me. So that would be my basic skincare routine. And then I have 3 miscellaneous items that I want to finish up. So the first one I have is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and this is a mini version. And honestly, I probably shouldn't put this into the project pan because it's almost gone, you guys. There's like not barely anything in here. But this is one of those products that I've been putting off using because it just smells so good, but I need to use it. And it's gonna take this project pan to get me to sit down and actually use it. Then I'm gonna put it in. So this is gonna be gone like probably literally this week. And then I'm also going to be putting in, after I finish up that one like this week, the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Bath & Body Works Ultra Shea Butter Body Cream. Jeez, I've been talking for so long, it's getting hard. I bought this at the beginning of fall because it smells incredible. I also have the soap in this, and I like loved how it smelled so much. And if I'm being honest with myself, I probably shouldn't have bought this, but I'm gonna use this thing, okay? I'm gonna try and use up this whole thing, hopefully before the end of spring. I would love to use it before the end of winter. I don't know how long this is going to take me to use up because I use these, but I don't use them consistently. So if I was to use them consistently, I don't know. Consistently. Am I saying that right? Yeah. I don't know how long it'll take me to use it up if I'm using it all the time. Probably faster than what's in my head, but usually these take me forever to use up, which is why I'm putting it in the project pan, because I want to use it up. So this project pan is going to force me to use it up faster, you know? But this is something that I will keep beside my bed, and I'll, you know, moisturize my hands, my bate, whatever, before I go to bed. I think that's going to be the best way for me to use this because I'll see it every night as I'm like plugging in my phone or whatever to charge. So yeah, I'm putting that in. Oh, by the way, this is like pretty much all the way full. I've only used it a couple times, so yes. Okay, the next thing that I'm putting in is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Looks like this, and this is a very expensive face mask. I'm not even gonna lie. And it is extremely intense, and I don't use it often because it's so expensive, but I need to just use it up because it's definitely getting to the point where it's gonna be expired soon if it isn't already. No, I don't think it is, but it's going to be soon. So I want to use it up before it expires because this is skincare we're talking about here. This isn't going to take me long to finish up if I'm pretty consistent with doing masks, which brings me to why I have all of this stuff in here. And that is because I want to start doing masks at least like once or twice a week. At least once a week. I would love, love, love to be able to do it twice a week. I like doing masks, I just always forget about them. So I really want to do better about using face masks and like enjoying that time to let it sit on my face. I mean, it's such an easy thing to do. There's so many times where I'm just sitting and watching a YouTube video where I could be putting a mask on and like, you know, making my skin look beautiful. So I'm putting this in. This is going to be pretty easy for me to use up. I love this. It's very intense, but it's great for clearing the skin out. And then obviously I have all of this stuff. So a lot of this is face masks. It's little sample size. I have like a ton of these like sample size products that are one-use things that I would love to use up. I have a few like moisturizers that are really tiny ones. I have a tiny take that day off cleansing balm, more moisturizers. I mean, I have like so little mini little moisturizers in here that I want to finish up. I have like a little fresh soy face cleanser, and then I have a bunch of little like masks. Some are single use. Some are just like tiny tubes. But basically what I'm doing with all of this is I'm just going to make this like my extras, my bonus. If I'm tired of using one of these products, I'll be using one of these. You know, I really want to try to use these up. I really want to use these up because nobody needs this mini sample size products. Yeah, all of these are deluxe size, sample size products, and I don't know what my issue is with getting them. Did I already say this is a rolling project plan in the beginning? I hope I did. But basically, when I use a product up, I'm gonna be putting a different product in, so you then at the end of the year, I can gather everything up that I used, and we can kind of calculate and see how much value I got out of the products that I used up, how much everything costed all together. And I'm really excited to see that because skincare is not cheap, and I'm really excited to see the amount of money that I got out of them. I didn't get any money out of them. I meant value. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you guys get it, right? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope that you'll consider joining me in this skincare project plan. It's such a great time to do these things and use up our skincare products and get into a better routine of taking care of our skin. It's never too early or too late. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying to use up your skincare products as well. Also, like, what are you guys wanting to use in your skincare products? I want to like learn about new things. So tell me, what are your favorites? What do you have? What do you want to try out? Maybe we can try new stuff together if I have something that I have to, if I like run out of something, you know? I don't know. I'm rambling. That's what I tend to do at the end of these things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end. I appreciate you so much. And I will hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go.